Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create text animations using tracking in CapCut PC. So here you can just add the clips that you want to create with the text animations, and after that go to where you want to start the text animations and also tracking. For example, I'm going to start here. Then you can go to text and add this default text. Then just write the text that you want. For example, I'm going to just write biker in here. You can change the font to your liking. For example, here I'm going to change it into using this Oswald font. You can adjust the size and also the style of the text, and after that you can just add animation. I'm going to add animations in here, and I'm going to add this. Let's find the wipe left or right animation.